El Documentalista. And this is Christ's tomb is opened for the first time in centuries. Researchers have uncovered what they believe is the original surface of Christ's tomb. According to what the international edition of National Geographic revealed on Wednesday, there, in the oldest reference to Jerusalem, in an extra-biblical document, first, there was a cave, or it might have been a hollow in the rock. In a tomb carved into solid rock, the lacerated body of Jesus of Nazareth was laid. Later, as Eusebius of Caesarea states, the sacred tomb was covered with earth and stones, and during the reign of Hadrian, the place was paganized by the construction of a temple. Constantine, the defender of Christianity, ordered the demolition of the temple supposedly built over the tomb of Jesus. And he built a basilica that has undergone numerous destructions and reconstructions throughout history. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre in the center of Jerusalem includes two sacred sites. Golgotha, where Christ was supposedly crucified, and his empty tomb since he rose from the dead. 6 Christian orders guard the Holy Sepulchre: the Greek Orthodox Church, the Roman Catholic Church, the Armenian Apostolic Church, and to a lesser extent, the Syriac Orthodox Church of Antioch, the Coptic Orthodox Church, and the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. They all agree on one thing: that is where the tomb of Christ is located. In 2015, the main Christian communities accepted a visit from the National Technical University of Athens for the purpose of inspecting the edicule, the structure that covers the tomb, rebuilt in 1810 after a devastating fire. Will we be able to see the rocky surface where the body of Christ lay? For the first time in centuries, researchers have uncovered the original surface of the supposed tomb of Christ, as revealed on Wednesday by the international edition of National Geographic. Who is participating in the restoration project? The tomb has been sealed with a marble covering since 1555 and most likely for several centuries before that. We have removed the marble covering from the tomb, and we were surprised by the amount of fill material underneath, explains Friedrich Hebert, archaeologist from the National Geographic Society. The scientific analysis will take a long time, but we can finally see the original rocky surface on which, according to tradition, the body of Christ lay. Christian tradition states that the body was laid out on a platform or burial bed carved into the limestone cave, which centuries later was enclosed in the edicule. The analysis of the original rock could provide information about the original shape of the tomb and its evolution over the centuries. Since it was discovered by Helena of Constantinople, the mother of Emperor Constantine in the 4th century, of Emperor VIII, 19th century, that of Emperor Constantine in the 19th century, of Emperor Constantine the 19th, Emperor Constantine 19th, the documentarian. And this is, they open Christ's tomb for the first time in centuries. Thank you. And until next time.